With impressive power potential and generous equipment, the 2010 Subaru Impreza four-door sedan maintains its dominance in the performance-oriented compact segment.
Smooth exterior styling is highlighted by a wide front grille, aerodynamic swept-back headlights, and subtle body-side character accents. 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires underpin WRX Imprezas, as do lower body accents delivering aerodynamic advantage.
Technical innovation abounds within. From the touchscreen GPS navigation to Bluetooth hands-free cellular phone integration, you'll appreciate the precision of available electroluminescent gauge lighting while basking in the glory of optional 10-speaker audio. Head curtain and front side impact airbags maximize safety, standard across the Impreza lineup.
Turbo Boost ups performance in WRX trim, where a large turbocharger and free-flowing exhaust help belt out 265 horsepower. The Impreza 2.5 GT model pairs a 224 horsepower engine with a sporty automatic gearbox, and all models include world-renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive with vehicle dynamics control included as standard.
The 2010 Subaru Impreza sedan lineup promises to redefine expectations in the small four-door class, delivering exhilarating performance and captivating style.